Unique identifier or unique user identifier is a numerical alphanumeric string that is associated with a single entity within a system. Unique IDs make it impossible to address that entity so that it can be accessed and interacted with. They can be assigned to anything that needs to be distinguished from other things, such as individual users, companies, machines, or websites. These distinctive values are usually assigned depending on the needs of the specific application, but can either be randomly auto-generated with an algorithm, allocated incrementally, so it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or can be chosen by the user. The most widely known of these unique identifiers occurs when a user registers for a website or service. Customers are often provided with a username or user ID that allows the company that they're registering with to differentiate them within their user logs. Then, these identifiers are also used for security and logon purposes. To generate a UUID quickly in Python, we're going to have to take advantage of a Python library. So let's get on with what we need to type. So the first line is just going to be import UUID. That's the library I mentioned before with the functionality. And then to print it out, all we need to do is print. Then we're going to have UUID dot UUID1, and then you have a pair of brackets with nothing inside there, and that's it. That's all that's going to be printed out. Now of course you can add text before it to have something to say the random ID using UUID1 is etc, etc, but that's just an option. That's how you print a UUID in Python.